welcome back to Teardown. I'm doing the third episode. By the time I'm recording this, I haven't even posted the second one, but yeah, I want to do this one. So we are back in Teardown, and today we are going to do. Ooh, what's this? What? Whoa. Anyways, today, okay, I'm just checking this. We are going to do, of course, the car wash. I hate the car wash. Okay, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be real hard. Skirt. Okay. Oh no. You know, guys, the first time I did car wash, I even had to get a mod to do it. Bruh. Okay, so let's see the Gapmeister thing. Not really demolition. You know, I'm gonna try the try the GPS mission first. So here we are, GPS devices, Lee's boats. I thought I already did this. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. This is not gonna be easy, but it's gonna be a lot easier than the other thing. So where do I have to go? So let's see, Gapmeister. So optional targets, no thank you. Boat trailer. Oh, come on. Now I'm gonna drive that car into the water, and then I'll just get and then I'll drive the thing over there. Okay. So, I remember the login files and everything. So, let's see. It's gonna be hard. So, yeah, I can't do that. I can't do this. There we go. Ah. Okay. I have to get my stealth concentrated. There we go. There's just one more. Yeah, there's one more. Ow. Okay. I can't even cut that. Okay, so how am I supposed to get into that? What if I use this crane? Well, does this crane not actually work? That's a shame. Maybe if I do parkour. Okay, yeah, it's parkour. Trust me, guys, I've done this like the other time, and you have to like blowtorch a hole into it. It's really annoying. Okay. Oh no! I'm just gonna do the blowtorching a hole thing. Okay. Oh no! Okay, good. This kind of still up. Okay, maybe I have to blowtorch a hole here. Isn't there like stairs or something? Right, they should have been full like a ladder or something. Oh, there's stairs on the inside. No, right, so I can push out those. So there we go. This is a first shot. Let's hope what happened the first time to me won't happen again. Okay, because the other one's right. The other like needed target is there. So if I can just like park this next to this. Okay. Yeah. Beep. There we go. Okay. There we go. Oh geez, what have I done? So just to make this easier. Okay, there we go. Sure, let's make it I still not got planks. No. Okay. Enough spoilers. That's sweet. Okay, so next thing is back there. So what is this? Oh yeah, so the trailer thing. Okay. That was easy. Ah, that's. Oh, that was easy. So what are you? Mr. Valuable. Wow, electric sander. I thought it was a rubber duck. Yeah, there. And now, this beautiful, absolutely beautiful boat. Maybe I have to disconnect it or something. Wait, is this thing? Be free, beautiful boat. You know what, let's stick with it. I'm back, and I've got an escape van, but I'm not sure if I'm just going to use the boat over there. So, I don't even know why I've used a spray can. I mean, I could have just, like, I'm just going to start over there. Bruh. Okay, yeah, so, guess here we go. Oh my god. Okay. Go. Oh, no. What have I done? Oh, I'm close. What have I done? Can I not, like, climb through that? Can I. Let's go. I got it, guys. And there we go. That is stealing the marina login devices. Look at that beautiful little route. Whee! I just oofed there. I could have done it quicker if I hadn't have done that. Yeah, okay. I was just like, jumped out of there, went into there, went like that, did a goofier thing, like that. Oh no, that's what I call being sweaty. Ooh yeah. Sweaty move down there, and ooh, that goofier. I'll go where I left it. Just jump out. Go down there, and that's done. Successful, isn't it? Yeah, so that's it. That's what I call a very successful mission. There we go. Let's see if I've hopefully leveled up and get a new thingy. Yes, let's go. Okay. Let's go. Oh no. What have I got now? Oh yes, planks. Okay, yeah, I love planks. Yeah, where's my computer? Okay. Yeah, so I'm just like, okay, let's see. Tools, fire extinguisher, blowtorch. Oh, I have 250 actually. So yeah, anyways, I mean, that was a very short video, but I'm going to probably have to dedicate a whole video to that car wash thing. So yeah.